Hey all, Valdi here, and this is Coyotes by Don Edwards. Was a cowboy I knew in South Texas. His face was burned deep by the sun. Part history, part sage, part mesquite. Hillsdale and Poncheville was young, and he'd tell you a tale of the old days when the country was wild all around. Sit out under the stars of the Milky Way and listen while the coyotes howl. They go boo, 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 boo-de-loo, boo, 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 boo-de-loo, boo, boo. Now the longhorns are gone, and the drovers are gone, Comanches are gone, and the outlaws are gone, Geronimo's gone, the Sambass is gone, the lion is gone, and the red wolf is gone. Well, he cursed all the roads and the old man, and he cursed the automobile. So this is no place for an hombre like I am in this new world of asphalt and steel. Look off someplace in the distance at something he could see. Said all that's left now are the good days. Damned old coyotes and me. They go boo, 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 boo-de-loo, boo, 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 boo-de-loo, boo, boo. Now the longhorns are gone, the drovers are gone, Comanches are gone, and the outlaws are gone, Quantrill is gone, Stenwalsey is gone, and the lion is gone, and the red wolf is gone. Morning they searched his adobe, disappeared without even a word. But the night when the moon crossed the mountains, one more coyote was heard. They'd go boo, 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 boo-de-loo, boo, 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 Thanks a lot for listening. A lot of good Don Edwards songs out there, and I don't know how I found out about him just now, but he's real good. Real good singer. See you.